Let's do our example 2. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to find the lowest common multiple and the highest common factor of 24 and 36. So first step, the first thing that we have to do is decompose our numbers into our prime factors. So 24 divided by 2 is 12 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, 3 divided by 3, 1. Beautiful. Then 36 divided by 2, 18 divided by 2, 9 divided by 3, 3 divided by 3, 1. Then I'm going to list them here. So I'm going to write 24 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And then underneath, 36 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Notice that I left this space here just because this 2 is not going to be common, and I just want it to be aligned because that will be make my life easier. So then I'm going to highlight the ones that are common. This 2 is common with this one, and this 2 is common with this one, and this 3 is common with this one. And the ones that are not common, this 2 is not common, and this 3 is not common. Beautiful. So to find our lowest common multiple, let's remember what we have to do. We have to write the commons only once and the not commons as well. Okay? So commons only once, so I'm going to write these 2 ones times 2 ones times 3. And then I'm going to multiply by 2 and by 3 that are the ones that are not common. Beautiful. Now, how that I'm going to do this one, I'm going to say, okay, I have 3 times 2, 6. And okay, so I have 3 times 2, 6, and 2 times 3, 6. So 6 times 6 is 36, times 2, 72. So my lowest common multiple is going to be equal to 72 between those two numbers. And let's look at our highest common factor. So my highest common factor, I only have to use the ones that are common to both and only once. So I have to only do 2 times 2 times 3, and that will be equal to 4 times 3, which is 12. So my highest common factor between those two numbers is 12. And again, you don't have to do this fraction thing in your test or anything. I'm just showing you how this is going to be useful. So if you do 24 over 36 and you divide numerator and denominator by that highest common factor, then I get that 25 divided by 2 is going to be 2, and this one is going to be 3. So it does work, and I got a simplified fraction. Wonderful, girls. So I hope you find this useful, and now you're going to do a lot of exercises, a lot of questions, so you practice these skills. And if you have any questions, please let me know, okay? Wonderful, thank you.